come back.
Go get another part. Yeah, I know. I'm the same way. Like, no, let me get it.
I've tried that. I've tried cutting corners and be like, I just need X, Y, and Z.
Yeah.
And then next thing I know, I need. So here's your old one. I just did it with the tank full. There's a
Oh
little.
yeah, no, I saw that on YouTube. That's what I was gonna do. But when you said, you know, you come down there, I go, you know what? I'd rather have you do it if a part's bad or not.
Yeah, I'm here.
I don't have to make all the drive back to you. Hey, you don't want this to look good.
Right.
Like I figured you would come here with more than just one.
Oh yeah, yeah. You figured correctly. Yeah, I brought a bunch, and then yeah, we're good.
Because I thought about the same thing too. It don't need to be a special valve. Just when
No.
the thing turned on, we're good. The other one's just, you know, the igniter and all the other shit.
Yeah, well, you can add an igniter to this now if you want, but I don't plan on doing that tonight.
No, I don't need an igniter.
Yeah.
I got
I've done that to a couple of them where I put these modern valves on and then I add igniters to them just to get away from that whole, you know, wadding up paper. Or...
Oh, no, I got it.
Oh, you do? Oh, cool. Yeah, I'll probably be borrowing that from you. Because that's the one tool I don't have. You would think I have one of those. But...
I would have thought you would have had one too.
I know. I don't work on these old open combustion chamber ones very often.
Oh, you don't?
I do. I mean, I work on them, just not very often. So if this goes over right here.
It was built in pretty easy. No, not pretty. I guess I did have to struggle to put it back in there. Oh, you went in?
Yeah. Yeah, I went in. I'm not worried about that part. I'm worried about... Because everything's so short on it.
Oh.
What's nice about all the long stuff is you know you got plenty of room.
Yeah.
But it's okay. You might smell a little gas. I turned the gas on, but I forgot to tighten that down. Then I went back and tightened it. So that's probably what you're smelling. Yeah, we'll be alright. It takes a lot of gas.
Yeah.
It takes just a ton of it to do anything bad.
Yeah, the company's giving me the runaround. Oh, the lady gave me the number right away, and she referred to Lowe's. And called back, hey, that shit didn't work. Can you guys? I was see if they can sell me the damn valve right there.
Oh yeah.
And the guy said, oh no, these parts are just obsolete already.
Oh yeah.
And he goes, you can't even get it. I go, well, that's funny because the last lady helped me. She got me the stuff. And I don't know how she did that. So I'm like, so somebody was giving me the.
Yeah.
Well, this is why I called you guys the first time. If I knew it was going to be a problem, I would have never wasted all that time. I wasted like since Friday or Saturday.
You mind holding this light? Kind of right there? Yeah, I got it. Thanks. So you couldn't even get this lit probably, huh?
No.
Like it just wouldn't run.
As soon as I let go of the button,
It'd go out.
it turned off.
Yeah, that's the solenoid.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
There's a little solenoid on that side, and it after a while they just stop working, you know. It's like one or the other, you know.
I was hoping it was that thermal one. Like, okay, that seems like an easy fix.
Oh yeah, man! I did this little screw right here last night. 45 minutes it took me to get that thing threaded. Yeah, it just wouldn't go in. And then the valve was bad, so I had to pull it out and put another valve. Like I finally got it, and then I had to redo it. And I was like, son of a... It's just usually they go in pretty smooth, but for some reason it didn't. You got the little spark thing? That's not that bad.
Huh?
I said that's not that bad.
No. No, it's not a difficult job.
Mm-hmm.
It's just the fact that I go, damn it, and I needed a valve, and I saw how to do it. You don't drain the water.
Right.
You just take it out real quick and put it back on.
Yeah. Yeah. You just close it off so you create a vacuum.
Yeah.
Break the pressure on the vacuum.
But like, you know what?
And
I
then.
go, well, you know what? You're charging me 75, and they stay lit.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. There you go. It's staying lit before, so.
Yeah, that's because you had a bad valve, right?
Yeah, no, I did.
Yeah.
That's why I said that. I
Yeah,
looked
you-
at it before I go.
No.
You know.
No, and this is a newer valve, so. And if you ever want to do the little thing, you can go back, and it's kind of a pain in the butt, but you got to replace the whole pilot assembly,
Yeah.
but you can do it. So I got a YouTube channel, so
Oh, good.
you're going up unless you have a problem with it.
No.
Okay. Yeah, we'll put this up. I got a bunch of videos, so it just helps people out.
No, yeah.
It helps people see, and they can 20 minutes, right?
Yeah.
And so bring any soapy water or anything to test the gas connection. So if you want, we can maybe mix them up or something here. And
Yeah, that'd be great.
if you want to, just peace of mind. Obviously, if you smell any gas or anything, let me know.
I don't smell anything right now.
I gotta.
All right, I really appreciate you watching the videos. Consider subscribing to the channel and have a great day.